So, amateur! Ala! Hold shot, hold shot. Anton Cortez! Wow! Anton Cortez, hold shot! Travis Lacno, Carla, Roger Ates, Kihalen, Ken Flores! Wow, 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 wow! Grabe! Wow, nakauna si The Bullet, guys! Nakauna The Bullet, Anton Cortez here in Samal Island. This is amateur category. Oh. Wow, Anton Cortez, Carla, Travis, Roger Ates, Ken Flores, and Kihal. Oh. Nakauna The Bullet, Anton Cortez from Team Honda Philippines. Still on the lead. Wow, The Bullet. Second si Carla. Third Travis Lacno, Roger Ates. Ayun, no? Nakakuna pa rin Anton Cortez. Wow. So, Carla on second. Third, it's Travis Lacno, Roger Ates, and Ken Flores. Ayun, no? Wow.
Kasunod si Carla.
Wow.
Ay, mag-isip na sila tinit.
Bogong! Walang pagbabago. Still Anton Cortez. Carla Rivera on second. Travis Lacno, Roger Ates. Walang pagbabago, guys. Walang pagbabago. Walang pagbabago. Wow.
Racing oil para fully synthetic nila and nasa gear oil para sa smoker. Ato lang i-check.
Walang pagbabago. Still Anton Cortez.
Sino win? Eagles the one with number 1 naman.
This is amateur or novice center category. Carla on second. Oy, Roger Ates on third. Travis Lacno on fourth. Wow.
Sa MGLS,
Anton Cortez is still on the lead. Oh. Carla Rivera on second. Tikit ang laban, guys. Roger Ates versus Travis Lacno.
dominance once again is the Bullet Anton Cortez from
Iflawan.
Anton Cortez is the 2025 Rookie of the Year sa National Motocross National Motorcycle Sports and Safety Motocross. May ganyan matahan. Magkakaroon sila ng pumunta sa Europe para mag-training and Anton Cortez will be one of them. Yung lahat ng mga champions last year sa national will be going to Europe para mag-training.
Wow, sana all. Sana all, Michi. Training sa Europe, Michelin Rivera. Wow.
So, ano na siya? Ang tanong na mag-upload ng
White flag na, white flag.
motorcycle
White flag.
races sa national.
Wow. White flag. White flag.
sir kani rider wala
So,
sa national team, kani rider wala sa national team.
Champion for amateur, Anton Cortez.
Haven't supported the national
Tara.
license or hindi sila kumuha ng tamang
Anton
points.
Cortez, champion for amateur category. Here in Samal Island.
Sa national team.
Carla Rivera, second.
When I was younger, no?
Peace bump
wala ko nag-appeal sa national
for
license,
Carla
wala ko
Rivera
sa
and
national
Anton Cortez.
points. So that's why ang Philippine team
Checker,
sa
checker,
una
checker,
panahon
checker.
was, wala nang appeal sa Philippine
Checker.
team. It's either Kenneth San Andres, it's either